Hello everyone, today's video is about making earrings very beginning level with clay, dried flowers, and I'm going to show you two types of design. You can make it at your home very easily. We need very few supplies for this tutorial. We need polymer clay, UV resin, silicone roller, tweezer, cutting blade, some jump rings, and some dried flowers, and some cookie cutter like this shape. First, I'm taking yellow polymer clay. I prefer to use a skull paper mold. This is really good clay for making jewelries and for the beginners. Then I use silicone roller to roll this clay. Don't roll too much the clay, otherwise it will get too much thin. Then use the blade for the cut. For this design, I cut this kind of shape with the blade. And use this kind of cookie cutter for other shape. One design is ready. Then I'm gonna use this kind of cutters for making some holes. For the second design, I have used this big round shape cookie cutter. And for the upper part, I'm going to use triangle shape. Then again making some holes for jump rings. So I have finished the shape part. I'm gonna use electric oven for curing the clay. I preheated electric oven at 275 Fahrenheit and then put the clay inside the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. It depends on oven to oven. After 12 minutes later, clay pieces are ready for the next step. Then I cut flowers for the selected piece. After that, I put UV resin and use a toothpick for leveling the resin. For the second design, the procedure is almost the same. After putting UV resin, then I'm gonna use UV lamp for 3 to 4 minutes. It can take 1 or 2 minutes extra. Better you check. When the resin completely cured, it won't feel sticky. See how much it is glossy and pretty. Last but not the least, attached some jump rings into the hole. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For now, bye bye.